Robotics has a lot of brightly colored plastics and 3D printed components on their robots. But take a look at those four motors sticking up over the wheels. This could be the state's first ever swerve drive on a first-tech challenge machine. Now this is sporting action from Washington robots lifting that red sticker up high, trying to head into that high basket, and it goes for big points. Right behind them, their arms not lifted up as high, they'll try to get in the low basket, but it will fall out in the field. To Max. Have a new sample as well as Max Robotics who will make the move towards the low basket. The arm has got to extend a little more. The arm seems to be on the field with Max Robotics. Now, getting in the right position for 4 points for a low basket score. The Robotics still lead to 7. And the Universal Robots have another sample firmly gripped. It has been printed ball first by the team. In the game is as we hear this for the end game. Max Robotics trying to pick up a neutral sample from those slight marks on the field. 15 seconds left. Here comes Michael Boyce. It's also a lot of weapon I see on the arm. They simply can score 1 more and 3, 2, 1. We have got possibly level 1% courtesy of the Aerospace Robojets. Our little runners, what benefits off of this, around their simple flow. Stay tuned for